Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an Apple user and love shopping on Amazon, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into how to use your Apple Card on Amazon to make your purchases smoother, more secure, and even a bit more rewarding. Let's get started. First off, what's the Apple Card? It's Apple's very own credit card, designed for seamless integration with your iPhone. It offers up to 3% daily cashback on purchases, including when you shop on Amazon, provided you use it the right way. But here's the catch. Amazon doesn't fully support Apple Pay everywhere, so we'll cover both scenarios. Step 1. Make sure your Apple Card is set up. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone, add your Apple Card if you haven't already, and verify it's active. This is your gateway to easy payments. Step 2. When you're ready to shop on Amazon, head to the website or app. If Apple Pay is available for your purchase, which it is for some items or through certain browsers, simply select it as your payment method at checkout. Look for the Apple Pay button, it makes things super quick. If Apple Pay isn't an option, don't worry. You can add your Apple Card manually. Go to your Amazon account settings, navigate to Your Payments, and add a new card. Enter your Apple Card details carefully. Remember, it's linked to your iPhone, so you can pull the info from there for accuracy. Once added, select your Apple Card at checkout and complete your purchase. You'll still earn that sweet daily cashback, and your transactions are encrypted for top-notch security. Pro tip: always double-check for any promo codes or deals to maximize your savings. Using your Apple Card on Amazon not only helps you earn rewards but also keeps your data safe with features like fraud protection. If you run into issues, like the card not showing up, restart your device or contact Apple support. There you have it, shopping made simple. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. What's your favorite way to use the Apple Card? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.